Hey guys, let's take a look at how to use our calculator to use functions like cosine of theta or sine of theta or tan theta, and also its inverse. So in question 5, we're asked to solve for this equation here that involves cosine of t. So our angle here is t. And the first thing that you want to do is use some inverse operations to get cosine of t to one side of the equation. So that's what we've done down in this step here. We've got cosine of t is equal to 5/7. So the input value is unknown, but we know that the output value is 5/7. So to solve for t, we're going to use the inverse function of cosine, which is arc cosine. So that's cosine to the -1. That means the inverse of cosine. And the inverse of cosine tells us that when you take arc cosine of the output, so of 5/7, it is going to give you that input value, which we call t. So you can actually put this into your calculator. However, it's really important that when you're using your calculator, that your calculator is in the correct mode. So in this particular problem, we are in radian mode. So check your mode on your calculator. So go to your calculator on that second row next to the second button here. You go to mode, and right now you can see that my calculator is in radian mode. Your calculator is probably defaulted to radian mode, but you'll want to make sure it's in radian mode, not degree. So now that I've confirmed that it's in radian mode, I can take arc cosine of 5/7 to solve for t. So I'm going to go straight to second cosine. So you can see it brings up arc cosine, and I'm going to type in 5/7, press enter, and there you can see you get 0.775. Okay, all right, so this is how you can use your calculator to evaluate those trig functions like sine, cosine, tan, arcsine, arccosine, and arctan.